Former PNP MP Joylyn Silvera arrested in connection with wife's murder.
Woman mauled by pit bulls while the owner is pointing fingers at the police.
And children and child seen being brutally beaten in viral video now getting medical care.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm.
And I'm Anthony Lugg. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Javon Keys.
Well, Anthony, lots to get through this evening. The International Monetary Fund has given Jamaica the thumbs up in its latest Article 4 review. iCreate is delisted again, and so much more. So I'll have the details later on.
We have a packed business day today, and we also have Spencer Darlington to tell us what's coming up in sports.
Thank you, Andrea. Well, in light of a recent or ongoing investigation, the J3 is planning to introduce coaching certification in safe sport. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the proposal to provide close protection security for councillors?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Actually, that is TVJ News Center, right? So stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.